In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an admin page with Firebase Studio Prototyper and Firestore roles. We'll start in Firebase Studio. Open it up and create a new workspace, then switch to the Prototyper view. This workspace is where you'll describe what you want, and the agent will turn your description into a working interface with backend logic. Think of it as sketching with words. The clearer your request, the better the result. Now, write a specific prompt describing your app and the admin page. For example, say, create a web application with user authentication. Include an admin page that lists all users and allows an admin to change their role field in Firestore to admin or user. Be explicit about behaviors you care about. If you expect admins to access a protected route, mention that. If you want non-admins redirected away from the admin page, include that too. You can always refine your prompt if the first version doesn't fully capture the flow. Once you submit the prompt, the agent will generate the UI and the backend logic for you. Use the preview mode to try it out. Walk through the basics. Sign up or sign in, navigate to the admin page, and see if the list of users appears. Try updating a user's role and verify that the change is saved. If something feels off, like a redirect loop, missing permission, or a button that doesn't do anything, go back to your prompt and clarify the expected behavior. Iteration is part of the process here. To properly test the admin experience, you'll want at least one user flagged as an admin. Head to the Firebase console, go to Build, then Cloud Firestore, locate the user's document, and add a field named role with the value admin. Make sure the field name and value are consistent with what you used in your prompt. Refresh your preview and confirm that the admin page now recognizes the admin user and unlocks the management features. You may see that Gemini proposes Firestore security rules for your app. Those rules won't protect anything until you copy them into the Firebase console. Open the Rules tab in Firestore, paste the generated rules, review them to ensure they match your intent, and then publish. After publishing, test again in preview to confirm that only admins can change roles and that non-admins are appropriately restricted. That's it. You've used Firebase Studio's Prototyper to describe, generate, test, and secure an admin page without writing the boilerplate yourself. Keep refining your prompts for edge cases and always publish your rules to keep your data safe.